When a tourniquet is applied on the field, movement doesn't stop. You carry, crawl, fight or wait for help. And tourniquet must stay tight whole time. That's why Trust has triple lock safety system. This means it has 3 layers of protection to stop the tourniquet from loosening even under extreme stress. Let's look how it works. Lock number 1 is the ratchet system. As you rotate the handle, the ratchet locks the band in place. Each click you hear means the system is holding tight. It prevents the band from tightening back or loosening on its own. Lock number 2 is the strap loop. After tightening, you wrap the remaining strap around the housing and secure it again with the hook and loop. Loop fastener adds extra pressure to hold the whole system in place. Lock number 3 is the handle lock. Once bleeding is under control, you fold the handle down into its socket. This makes it impossible for the handle to move, unwind, even if the person is being moved, carried or transported. These 3 locks work together. They stop reverse movement, they stop accidental loosening, they give you confidence. Because when it comes to bleeding, a tourniquet that loosens is a tourniquet that fails. Trust holds when everything else is moving.